A very helpful and protective feature of the Aura bed is the built-in assist rails. There are 3 different heights. The first height is below the mattress level. This is helpful for unobstructed access to the user in bed or for changing linens. It's free in the low position, so you can just lift up and it will lock in the middle height. This is great to help with repositioning or assistance to push on during transfers. Or you can elevate the rail to the high position using the thumb buttons. Many clients would use this position during their sleep or if they like to pull themselves up during a transfer. The reverse process will lower the rail. Squeeze down and lower. Squeeze down and lower. The bed is equipped with 1 rail per side at the head section, but you can add extra rails at the foot end if you'd like.